Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is David, and I am here to help you play creatively. So whenever you're learning a new genre of music, it's important to understand what are the different Hey everybody, my name is David and I am here to help you play creatively. So whenever you're learning a new genre of music, it's important to understand what are the different elements that make that genre unique. For example, let's say you're learning jazz. Well, it's important for you to understand how to solo and how to apply complex harmony to the music that you're playing. Let's say you're learning gospel. Well, it's important for you to understand things like the blues scale and passing chords and dominant 7 chords. Those things are essential. Well, when learning Christian contemporary music, it's important for you to understand things like piano riffs. Oh my gosh. Let's get right to the lesson. All right, guys, in order for us to apply these piano riffs, we're gonna look at a really simple progression, which is G to C to E minor to D major. And instead of playing those chords in our right hand, we're just going to change our left hand, and then we're going to apply the riffs in our right hand. And the first riff we're going to learn, I'm going to call it a 4-3-2-3 lick, and that just are the scale degrees that I'm utilizing. So if we're in G major, we're using 4-3-2-3. The reason why I'm giving that to you is so that you could apply it to any key that you're in. So let's say you go to C major, then you would go to the 4th degree of the scale, and then you would just play the lick from there. 4-3-2-3. All right. So hope you understand that so that you could apply this to all of your keys. Let's go back to G major. Okay. Now this is the lick. Okay, now let's hear it in a proper context. So okay, so that's the first lick that you could apply to your playing, which is a 4-3-2-3 lick. All right. The second one is one that I took from a Chris Tomlin song. All right. And it goes like this. Okay. And that's really a 1-5-1, 1-5-1, 1-5-1, 3-4-3. Okay. Now let's go ahead and hear that in the right context. Okay, so that's the second lick that you could apply to your piano playing. Okay, now here is the third lick. We have a 3-4-5-1. All right, now let's hear it in context. Okay, so there you have it, 3 piano licks that you could apply to worship music today. Now let's play that all together and let's see what we get, all right? There you have it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like content like this, you know what you got to do. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, I created a chart with 10 free licks, all right? And if you want the chart, go ahead and shoot me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll shoot you a couple of you guys an email of the licks. Well, until next time, remember this, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll keep growing together. I'll see you in the next video.